Yeah, welcome back guys, welcome back to the channel. If you remember correctly, I have a dead Polo right here. In fact, it has a damaged engine. So to recap, this is how the engine looks, or must I say half of the engine looks like this, and this is the other half, the engine block, which is short of one cylinder, and as you can see for yourself, it's rusty. This is where we went to buy the engine, and the store is called Mandos. And here is where we came to check the new engine for the Polo Vivo, and there's so many spare parts here to buy the engine. But one problem happened. Everything was going well. My brother paid for the engine, but at the end of the day, this happened. Yeah guys, I got some bad news. It didn't go according to plan, so
the engine's gonna come in this week.
So as of today, as you can see, I wasn't going to work, so I was off, and my plan was I'm going to take this engine block and other parts as well and put it on the scrapyard and make a little bit of money. And while I was busy setting the car here to put the engine block inside, I was wondering how will I put this alone. Good luck to myself. You need a serious strong man to lift this. As you can see, I was shocked that I managed to pull it off. You can say whatever you want, but that wasn't a piece of cake. I gotta be honest. So I'm taking the other parts of the car. I'm not sure if it came from a Texan or a Polo, but I'm gonna put it inside the boot also and then go make a little bit of money. I could have asked, while you look at this car, must I fix it because it also isn't perfect. It looks good, but inside needs another story, especially the gearbox of the Hyundai Taxi, must I say Tucson. I wanna make it better. In fact, I wanna make it better than a Hyundai Tucson in the sports version. And here's the picture.
Poison parts.
You know the game.
You know the story, you know the story.
So as we approach the scrapyard, only to find out that it's closed, which is kind of a bummer. And let's see, this is the only place where they pay a lot of money for scrap, unlike the other places. But I tried going to another place only to find it's also closed, so I just let it go and I left the engine at my friend's place, which is honestly kind of a blessing. You will find out later why. Now this is the second trip to Durban. Let's find out if we're gonna get the engine. Hopefully everything's gonna go as planned. You just gotta appreciate the view, man, when you go across the bridge. You know when you're about to reach Durban, you're gonna see special cars like this Audi RS5. That's my dream car. Look how excited I am, bro. Like, in fact, I'm telling y'all, one day I'm gonna own this car. Yeah, we're back to the store now, and to be honest, I'm not as excited this time. Instead, I'm fed up. Well, luckily we got a brand new second-hand engine. At least things are going according to plan. Okay. Ingat, bro. Tulis itu. Ipelen. Yeah, guys, finally got the engine. Gonna fix it. Yeah, let's hope everything goes well. Stay tuned. Shout out to Mandos. Yeah, hope everything goes well. Now they're about to put the whole engine at the trunk, which is kind of weird, but they gotta do what they gotta do. Cause going with the van is actually expensive, to be honest. It's way too expensive. That car drinks petrol. It's like a C60. We've got the new second-hand engine now. We're heading back home. I was so excited. Finally, things are going according to plan. The car was finally going to be put back together and drive off on its own power. I was over the moon. Until you see this flyover. I'll tell you one thing about mechanics, especially the dodgy ones. He said he bought the whole engine. So on the old engine block, as you can see, it was on the engine block. Since I'm new to this, he told me I can go take the engine block to the scrapyard and get money. Even though I asked him more than once that nothing will be needed here, and he said yes. Turns out, he was wrong. So this is what I'm talking about. Since our scrapyard was closed, we were lucky, honestly, because we didn't sell the engine block with that flywheel. I told my friend if he gets the time, he must take the engine block to the scrapyard. So hopefully nothing happened while I was gone. I think we reached the end of this video. I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.